Hi Year 3, I hope you're all doing okay. It's Miss Gembry here. I'm going to be delivering your PSHE lessons virtually for the next 6 weeks. I hope you enjoy them, and let's get started with lesson number 1. I'm just going to share my screen and we'll go through the lesson together. Today's learning intention is to know how everyday hygiene rules help us to stay clean and safe. As you can see from the poster below, there's a few examples. You might want to pause the video and read through these. Can you define personal hygiene? What does personal hygiene mean to you? Let's see if your answer matches mine. By keeping ourselves clean and tidy, we look after our bodies. Did you think of a similar answer? Well done if you did. What hygiene rules do you know of that help to keep you stay safe and clean? These might be rules that you already follow. The poster below gives a few examples. Things like brushing your teeth, washing and brushing your hair, making sure you take care of yourself, getting enough sleep, exercising, washing your cells regularly, eating the right food, drinking lots of water, taking care of your diet. Do you know any more? What happens if we don't follow these everyday hygiene rules? So, what would happen if we didn't wash our hands before we ate something? What would happen if we didn't brush our teeth? What would happen if we didn't wash ourselves regularly? Can you think what might happen if we don't follow these everyday hygiene rules? We've experienced a very difficult virus, which most of you should have heard of by now, and it has reminded us the importance of following everyday hygiene rules. However, we shouldn't follow these rules just because of COVID-19. There are lots of viruses and illnesses that we can catch if we don't follow these rules. So it's really important to follow them as best as we can, especially now. As you can see on the screen, there is a poster on how to best protect yourself from the new coronavirus infection. So we've probably already seen these posters around or similar ones, and you probably already know some of the rules to making sure that you're protected from the virus. Things like washing your hands frequently, covering your nose and mouth when you sneeze or cough, not touching your face if you haven't washed or disinfected your hands, keeping a distance from people, and telling people if you don't feel well, so you can make sure you isolate or stay away. You might want to pause the video and read a little bit more about these rules, these hygiene rules. Your activity for today's PSHE lesson is to create a poster promoting good hygiene. So if I was to walk along a corridor or outside and I see this poster on the wall, it should tell me how to keep safe and how to keep clean. So you might want to include things like washing your hands. You might want to say how long to wash your hands for. It might include things like wearing a mask, making sure that you don't touch things unless you've washed or disinfected your hands. And of course, you can include lots of pictures and colours to make it stand out so it catches people's attention. And hopefully everyone will follow these hygiene rules and keep following them so that we can reduce the risk, especially of COVID-19 at the moment. Have fun creating your posters. I hope you've enjoyed your first PSHE lesson of the new term. I know it's been a little bit different, but I will see you all soon, and I look forward to hopefully seeing some of your posters that you might send in. Have fun, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.